Hi, it's Erin Romanski with the Romanski Real Estate Group. Now that the end of 2022 is within sight, you may be wondering what's going to happen in the housing market next year and what that may mean if you're thinking about buying or selling a home. Here's a look at the latest expert insights on both mortgage rates and home prices so you can make your best move possible. The first key point is mortgage rates will continue to respond to inflation. There's no doubt mortgage rates have skyrocketed this year as the market responded to high inflation. The increases we've seen were fast and dramatic, and the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate even surpassed 7% at the end of October, with a drop then back in mid-November. In fact, it's the first time they've risen this high in over 20 years. In their latest quarterly report, Freddie Mac explains just how fast the climb in rates have been. Just 1 year ago, rates were under 3%. This means that while mortgage rates are not as high as they were in the 80s, they have more than doubled in the past year. Mortgage rates have never doubled in a year before. Because we're in unprecedented territory, it's hard to say with certainty where mortgage rates will go from here. Projecting the future of mortgage rates, it's far from an exact science, but experts do agree that moving forward, mortgage rates will continue to respond to inflation. If inflation stays high, mortgage rates will likely too. Our next key point is home price changes will vary by market. As buyer demands has eased this year in response to those higher mortgage rates, home prices have moderated in many markets too. In terms of the forecast for next year, expert projections are mixed. The general consensus is home price appreciation will vary by local market, with more significant changes happening in overheated areas. Let's take a closer look at Tippecanoe County from September 2021, comparing it to September 2022. The median sales price increased by 14.7% to $250,000, while closed sales were down by 5.6%. We are also starting to see the average list of sale price percentage on a slight decline. Finally, the average days on the market is up to 19 days per the Indiana Regional MLS for September 2022. Basically, some areas in our market may still see slight price growth while others might see slight price declines. It all depends on other factors that play into our local market, like the supply and the demand. This may be why experts are divided on their latest statistics and forecasts. So the bottom line is this: the market is shifting on a monthly and weekly basis. If you want to know what's happening with our home prices, home sales, or mortgage rates, let's connect so you have the latest on what we are seeing in our Greater Lafayette area.